Hello, my name is Shivani. Welcome to my channel. Hey, how was the movie? It was extremely good. It was very good. It was fairly good. It was quite good. It was rather good. Oh my God, so many answers. And they're all different, aren't they? What makes them different from each other? Well, you must have noticed the word that has been placed in front of the adjective good. Rather, fairly, extremely, very, and there are so many more. These are known as adverbs of intensity or degree. They modify or qualify the adjectives or adverbs. Today, I'll tell you about the two adverbs of intensity or degree. Those two are fairly or rather. Do you know how to use them correctly? Have you been using them correctly? So today I'm going to tell you about these two words. They both mean less than very and more than a little. Their intensity is neither too strong nor too weak. Right? So let's take the word fairly first. Fairly means a little higher than a little. Possible, not much. Okay? Fairly is a little higher than a little. Fairly is generally used positively. Sometimes it's also used in a negative sense. Let's look at a few examples. She is a fairly good cook. That means she cooks fairly well, but is not perfect yet. Is not a very good cook. There's still some room for improvement. Let's look at another example. He speaks English fairly well. That means he's good, but he can still improve further. There's still some room for improvement. He's not perfect. He goes to gym fairly regularly. He goes to gym fairly regularly. That means he goes to gym probably not every day, perhaps twice or thrice a week. Not bad at all. Now the second adverb of intensity, that's rather. Rather is much stronger than fairly. Much stronger in intensity than fairly. It's generally used with unfavorable adjectives or adverbs. Sometimes it's used positively as well to show surprise. The soup is rather cold. I think I won't have it. She's rather lazy. She's rather lazy. Never completes her work on time. She's rather lazy. The film was rather boring. I didn't like it. The film was rather boring. The film was rather good. The film was rather good. I didn't expect it to be really good, but it turned out to be rather good. So here you have used rather to show surprised, and you have used it with a positive adjective, good. And in the previous sentences, you might have noticed that you have used it with negative adjectives or negative adverbs. Let's do a few exercises. Fill in the blanks with fairly or rather. Number 1, this dress is dash tight for me. This dress is dash tight for me. She is dash intelligent. She is dash intelligent. You are dash late for the lecture. You are dash late for the lecture. She conducted the workshop dash well. She conducted the workshop dash well. She is dash mean. She is dash mean. Please write your answers in the comment section. Now it's time to check your answers. This dress is rather tight for me. This dress is rather tight for me. She is fairly intelligent. She is fairly intelligent. You are rather late for the lecture. You are rather late for the lecture. She conducted the workshop fairly well. She conducted the workshop fairly well. She is rather mean. She is rather mean. Got them all correct? Oh, that's really excellent. So that brings us to the end of the lesson. How did you find the lesson? Do let me know. I'll be waiting for your comments. Share and like the video. I'll be back soon. Till then, bye-bye.